Another product that we are showcasing here is PCTEL's latest interference management solution, which is called SeeWave. With the advent of LTE, we find all different types of interfering sources, fluorescent lights, baby monitors, disconnected cable wires. They are all causing problems for the carrier. And not only finding this in terms of frequency where they're coming from, but locating it where they're coming from is one of the biggest challenges that carriers face. They don't have extra resources that two people can be employed to find that particular source of interference. So we heard our carriers' inputs and we launched a product called SeeWave, which is an interference detection and localization system. One of the biggest advantage of SeeWave is it works with the spectrum analysis function within the scanning receiver. So you don't need an extra equipment or have to buy another spectrum analyzer. It's very ergonomic, one person can use it. As you see here, the scanning receiver goes in the backpack and you can walk around with a handheld antenna and a host platform. So there is a directional antenna connected to a host platform, has a digital compass and GPS inside it, and it mounts with a tablet application, a touchscreen application. So what you're seeing on this touchscreen application is the spectrum chart. You can easily make out where the interfering frequency is. You can set up a marker. You see the blue marker here, that is the interfering frequency. You can do a waterfall diagram, historically see how the frequency is showing up. So you see there is a dark yellow line, which shows that this frequency is pretty consistently interfering. And it has also inbuilt maps. So every time a person walks around finding the source of interference, they can press the trigger here on the handheld system and they can take a bearing. Once a bearing is taken, it takes the direction, the amplitude, and the location of the bearing. Using multiple bearings, you can then triangulate, and that gives you the source, where the source of interference is. Like in this case, you can see that the red dot is where the interference was coming from. So this makes it very easy, lightweight, easy to use. One person can detect interference, and it removes the complication out of interference finding.